PW, not a fan. After hours of ideation, followed by numerous sleepless nights. Rejection. So we started with the weirdest selection test ever. We had to take like 1,284,000 tests, and of course, it ended up being so useful. These tests were supposed to split us based on the size of our brains, big brains and small ones. Obviously, I was in the biggest one. Kidding, I wish. After all these so amazingly useful tests, which took about a month and more, we were finally grouped into our actual PW groups, which were supposed to be made up of some small and some big brains. But that was obviously not the case for me. I was told time and again by our mega-sized brain teacher that we are grouped with less than 0.000000001 of his brain combined. Regardless, we emerged victorious, having chosen our topic to work on. But it wasn't as easy as it sounded. We still had to debate with the teacher for what we wanted to work on for our assigned topic. So during the debate, the teacher sits in front and we all sit in a semicircle facing him. He goes like, "Tell me your idea now." And when we told him our idea, he said, "Why do you think it will work?" So we tried to fight our case. To which he said no. So we had to move on. But then he said, "Now why do you move on so quickly? Shouldn't you try to defend your topic?" So we went back to the topic number 1 and continued debating for our topic. To which he said, "I already told you that topic 1 is unacceptable. Are you challenging me?" So that whole process was the content ideation. Do note that this was the experience of one unlucky being and may not represent the entire J1 population each year. But then again, there will always be a few out there going through something similar. For those of you out there, do not feel alone. PW is going to be a cumbersome process with lots of commitment and patience required. You may find yourself spending hours just working on the same part of the project, trying to perfect it, only to face rejection. Been there, felt that. Moving on, remember to take care of yourself throughout the process. Just like how they say A-level is a marathon, not a sprint. It works the same for PW. Except some schools may just get you to remain stationary and then sprint like there's no tomorrow nearing the end. But that's a story for another time.